not know that was gonna be so. Yeah man, bless up to Tiffany father right there for borrowing him the bike. Tiffany, big up the man. Big up the man, guys. Hurry up.
Big up that.
Big up daddy. Hey. Yeah, me say so today we're on the route. We have Tiffany back on me there. And I forget her name already. Tamika at the back there as well. Guys, today we're on the route. We're outside. Follow us, see where we're going, guys. We're gonna have a good time. Let me go ahead and run this intro. Boom.
All we need is just a chance.
Yes, mommy, the devil is a liar.
Show them what we can do.
Okay guys, in today's video, this video is only for well, Tiffany told me he wanted to bring Tamika to the RiverRock Waterfall because she has been troubling him for a while to link us so that we could go down there. So today we actually going down there, but it's just the two of us. That was a last minute thing. And guys, you all know I'll do anything for my supporters. Also, I think it's Jacob that's been he asked me to go on a trial. He had to ask his parents. He asked his parents and they said yes. So my boss, you're the next person to go on a trial with us. You will get to decide wherever we're going, whatever it is. So if you're watching this as video, my bro, I haven't forgotten you. I was just very busy. So that's what was actually happening. So we're just gonna do this little vlog of us going down to ancillary to the RiverRock Waterfall, and that's what's gonna happen, y'all. Yeah, so without further ado, let's just go have some fun and see what's happening in this place. Fit gear. Jenna. I have a pants on the thing after that tight. You tell me we go in RiverRock Castle, so I dress accordingly. How your hair looking? Like a bird nest? The beach pants side on the video was way too tight. It's still tight a little bit there, but it better. Begin to pop. Yeah man, you know my favorite YouTuber or the most boring one? scraping. Oh, your father needs to put a pipe on that. Your father needs to put a pipe on that.
They pay to track that shit.
Taking the corner on the other side of the road, eh? Too far at the back, my music stopping play. Down too hard? Huh? I have to use compression, I don't have back brakes. Picture good there, boy. Picture good there, hospital. You'll never see RiverRock. Oh, if that picture good there, it's over. I say not I make you happy today? You want to come out for me to come out, man? You forget I big? The two of you all got good on that day because remember the road getting bad. And the suspension low. If we fall, not my fault, eh?
Oh, no.
Disclaimer. I accustomed to doing madness with myself, not with people. Aye, my tire low, man. I feel my back tire flat here. It flat? Huh? That motherfucker, how do we eat a pothole there, doggy? Dang! I see how I tabus. Come up more. You come here already before? Never? So you just stay inside your house? You love your home, so it's inside your house and watch videos? And do what? Sleep, that alone you don't need your free time? You sick? Huh? Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know. And you still have that asthma bad? Okay. Because my brother have asthma. But he was only on him like when he was younger. Okay, Papo. The bike doing something. Imagine if the two of y'all was on that. Let's go in front, go in front. Oh, when I go in front, people just crash at the back of me. Go in front. Oh shit. Huh? Oh. You can, eh? If you can ride. See that? Tiffany right at the back. I did not know that was gonna be so. Hey! You wet? Alone? Well, my whole body wet, eh? Girl, I went down in that, eh? You probably see where I go down. If the bike sliding or anything, just hold me, eh? Because I'm going to gas it more. Okay, we're almost there. Huh? Oh my God. Yeah, that's where it's stopping, eh? Oh, oh. Instead the bike stop it going in the bush. I'm terribly sorry about that. Rate my riding 0.
On your bike, it's better on Savannah's bike.
So I riding better on my bike
Yeah, I would say that.
because I know my bike.
Because it's your bike, yeah.
And plus, Tiffany bike do have back brakes and it do have a lot of power. So when you see I just back down from a higher gear, it just not my bike is good. So guys, you see Becky getting all the praises today there. Tiffany, so me right down there in the bush. Because you know. Anyways, thank his dad again for letting him tag along. It wouldn't be possible if it wasn't for his dad. So big up his dad one time.
Big up Mr. Harry.
Big up Mr. Harry. Yeah. Guys, Becky showed them why she's the bush master.
Yeah.
Master of it all. Oh yeah, certain time down there. We just disappear in our pothole, eh? You had stick in it? Oh, that was deep, eh?
Yeah, I didn't know that soon, bro.
I didn't know that. We never come here when the rain is falling. Yeah, Missy, so that's where the machines is now. So now we're going to take the hike to go up by the RiverRock Waterfall. Guys, this is in Ancillary. If you're ever visiting St. Lucia, this is a nice, beautiful place for you to visit.
I reach. Yeah, I stick. Oh, my super sticking that way.
Oh, I just tell you, I just tell her anytime you see the bike start to slide, hold me because I go and gas more. You have to watch that, eh? Yeah. YouTube. Tiffany, wash my bike, Tiffany! Tiffany, wash my bike for me, please, pumpkin! Yo, Missy, let's go. Guys, we barely even reached by the waterfall yet. All my shoes, all that dirty, the puddle we go down in. My pants, everything. That man's slippers, it burst? Oh, it wet. Yeah, this one here dirty. Tiffany just there balling. Nika, enjoy that, Nick. Nika, enjoy that, Nick. Nika, enjoy that, Nick. Oh, just now. Just now, I have fallen today. I have fallen in that. Huh? There, self fall. Yeah. Woi. Okay, I make it through. Okay, she's safe. On the ground. Where again? Huh? You'd expect the thing to be full. You're seeing river coming down? Guys, we didn't really come there to bathe, you know, but I feel like going and bathing Natty.
I come then, babe. I tell her bring clothes.
So you say you bring clothes, and that is the clothes. But it's really sitting in my life, eh? Messi, huh? Me not care. Guys, watch how that is today. Watch how beautiful that looking now there. You really loudy? What the crab doing you? The crab ain't doing you nothing. Oh, that really looking nice today. Good day, good day. Not deeper. Yeah, me see. That's how the RiverRock Waterfall looking today. Beautiful. Don't fall. And she going by the edge. Common sense not common in certain parts of St. Lucia, you know. Where's she from? Pave? Yeah, Pave people not good. The brain ain't working properly. Yeah, me see. Oi, Anali. Let's go. Your clothes are dry. A bike you want? What are you doing with this? I don't know about bike life, man.
I know about sick life too.
Oh, you getting sick? You're not getting sick. You're not getting sick.
You don't know how he is.
You're not getting sick.
Don't get accident, man. That little rain I was in, I know, all cold.
Watch your step, eh? Watch your step, eh? You stepping out hard. Yeah, me see. Tiffany start before everybody. But watch that, oi. Somebody clean around there. All that. They put another bench there. Guys, that's the RiverRock Waterfall today. Beautiful. Walk back there to the what? Yeah, me see. Yeah, me see. So, the water nice and cool. The air is fresh. The only thing is, we don't have no food. Tiffany make me stop in at the supermarket. So, I don't have no food. I'm hungry and in a care. So, me I sit down in the shade somewhere. Me have the nice waterfall at the back of me. And they in a I think she has shot behind him there. And he trying to defend himself, but he not winning the argument. Okay, look, she's smiling now, so I think he win. Yeah, me see. So we cooling out, we having a blast. My vlog's boring? My vlog's boring? Oh, all of a sudden it's not boring again. The vlog's not boring when they're in it. But when they're not in it, the vlog's boring and I talking too much. That's the problem. Black people. When they from Pavi. Tiffany come there, Tiffany break the people bench. Out of all people, the biggest one break the people bench. At least the people know who that break it now. You're alive, you're safe. Yeah, me say bye bye RiverRock Waterfall.
We're going on to our next track. Let's see where it brings us. Boom!
They paid to track that shit.
Yeah guys, this is where I'll go ahead and close to this video. As you can see, I have my newly found subscriber and Tavani washing my bike after a day of hard work.
After that, I have no bike, she won't come with
Y'all take me out in my house, watch that. Yeah, Missy, thank you so much for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe for more. Let's go.